from Takayama and medyo gloomy. Okay, again. Hello guys, good morning from Takayama and it's a gloomy weather here in Takayama. Nag-book lang kami ng tour using Klook and nag-depart kami from Nagoya around 8:30 and nag-land kami dito sa Takayama. Ang galing na videographer ko, patras. Nag-land kami sa Takayama after 3 hours. So, comfy naman yung bus. And this tour nga pala guys is self-guided tour. So wala kaming tour guide. Sa bus lang, nag-instruct lang siya tapos meron lang meet up point. Hi fans. Nag-instruct lang siya ng kung saan mag-meet and then yun. Binigyan niya, may time limit. So for Takayama, explore namin to for 2 hours. And then after Takayama, magta-travel ulit tayo ng 1 hour going to Shirakawa-go. And then sa Shirakawa-go, parang 2 hours din lang yata doon. So, ayun, ang original plan talaga namin dito dapat ay mag-overnight kami sa Takayama at yung mga festival nila. Pero since holiday siya or festive season, mahal yung mga accommodation. So, hindi muna kami nag-book dito. Ginawa namin, nag-day tour na lang kami. Pero I suggest guys, since sobrang layo ng travel time, para masulit nyo at ma-explore talaga yung Takayama at Shirakawa-go. Kung kaya ninyo, mag-book na lang kayo ng accommodation dito. Yun yung marirecommend ko. Ang una namin pupuntahan ay ang morning market. So, tara! Let's go!
Nothing like a smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I never.
Sa Klook tour, usually kasi kapag nagbubook kami ng mga ganito mga bus tour, sanay kami na may identity ni Klook, like may strap dito, or may sticker sila, may hat sila na Klook, or naka-t-shirt. Pero this time, hindi namin nakita yon. So make sure na mabasa nyo yun dun sa may voucher ninyo, yung details. Kung sino yung, kung ano yung provider ninyo. Kasi hindi nakaspecify si Klook doon. Nakaspecify doon kung ano yung pangalan ng provider, not Klook. So, ayun, from Hotel Wing, naglakad lang kami going to Marunouchi Station. And then, few minutes lang, 2-minute or 3-minute train lang. Bumaba na kami dun sa may Nagoya Station. Then, pupunta kayo dun sa may police box kung tawagin nila. Makikita nyo na dun na maraming tour provider. So, make sure na mabasa ninyo dun sa may voucher ninyo kung ano yung provider ninyo. Yun lang. So, guys, nandito na kami sa may morning market.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side.
Guys, nakabili ako ng dried apricot for 600 yen o around 280 sa akin at yung kanilang dried shrimp. Tignan natin. Mabango eh. Parang okay siya yung sa takoyaki na ginagawa. Kasi
pantap.
kung di siya super alat kagaya nung bibe kung tawagin sa atin, no? Try natin. Mahilig ako sa ganito guys. So, wala pa akong white. Meron na akong black, brown. So, ito, bibiling ko white. Ito papakita kay mama. It's 3,000 yen.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time.
Guys, bumili kami ng Hida beef bun. Ang price niya ay 500 yen at yung size niya is ganito lang siya kalaki. Mga 3 inches. Or in diameter, RJ. Yung diameter niya. Medyo basa yung bun niya sa loob. Tapos sticker rin siya. Hindi ko masyadong nakuha yung sticker, pero parang yung initial na nakagat ka, medyo may asim siya konti. Yung feeling niya, parang hindi siya pure beef. Para siyang may mga mushroom sa na halo. Siguro as filler, kagaya nito. Hindi to beef eh. Ayan. Do you think kids will like it?
Some kids only.
I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad. I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real. That's just how I feel. Think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. Stepping over stars to the colored lights. Is the whole gray or am I too blind?
May isa na ako nabili sa mga bucket list ko ngayon. Sa Kyoto ko kasi ito unang natikman. Pero kasi that time, free na yun na siya. Ito, ano lang siya, boiled. No sugar, no everything. Just the potato alone. Yan siya guys. Huwag niyo ito guys palalampasin. It's yum.
Sinahin ko ng balat. Sinahin ko na nga yung balat.
Sarap. Pag may umutot mamaya, RJ. Ikaw yung RJ. Punta na kami dun sa parang mga historical houses nila or yung old houses nila. Yung old houses street. Tapos na kami dito sa morning market. Isang stretch lang naman siya. So, majority of the stores, siguro yung mga local vendors nila, yung may mga local produce nila, halos sarado na rin. So, yun. Guys, yung mga budol na nabili ko, alam mo yung panlagay sa mga sushi maki, yung ni-roll, kumbaga sa Korean, kimbap. Excited na ako mamaya.
Can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you are what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about ya makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do a do be do 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 day. Do ba do 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 day. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day. Do ba.
So we're now here at Shirakawago. And it's 1 hour away from Takayama. So sa bus pa rin kami ng Klook, and after ng Takayama, diretso na kami dito. And nag-stop lang yung bus dun sa parking area. Then tatawid kayo sa may bridge later. May mga warnings doon na may beware of bears. And recently, meron tourist na na-attack ng bear. So careful lang kayo. So ang inalat sa aming time dito is 2 hours lang. So right now, it's already 2:30 and mag-explore kami ng area. So, samahan niyo ako. Ikutin natin tong Shirakawago. At papakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga makikita nyo dito. Sabi nga pala nung tourist, yung tour guide namin, yung mga houses daw na binild dito is hindi sila gumamit ng nails. So, yun yung something special sa kanila. At saka guys, makikita mo talaga yung bubong nila. Makapal, as in makapal talaga. So, yan, papakita ko sa inyo yun.
Counting all my problems, one by one they're falling down on me. One more day in Paris, paradise is not what it's made to be. No, just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking this. These walls are caving in, I could use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in. 'Cause I've been lost but never found. So how nearly broken down, 6 feet underneath the frozen ground. But is it too late to save me now? Staring out my window, waiting for the sun to come back around. All these things they're preaching, we wanna believe, but we don't know how. Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking it. These walls are caving in, I could use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in. 'Cause I've been lost but never found. So how nearly broken down, 6 feet underneath the frozen ground. But is it too late?
So guys, almost tapos na kami sa pag-explore. Konti lang yung inikot namin. Hindi kami almost tapos. Tapos na talaga. Meron ditong traditional house, kagaya nitong ini-stayan ko. Pwede kayong pumasok dito mag-rest. Kung gusto nyo magpa-picture, pwede. And tingin ko mas ma-appreciate nyo yung place if pupunta kayo dito nung full peak season ng autumn, para makita nyo talaga yung different colors ng trees. Kasi ngayon is second week pa lang ng October at
hindi pa ganon visible fully yung autumn. Though merong may ilang mga trees na nag-yellow na, nag-orange na at red, pero hindi pa rin siya talaga yung masasabi mo na near autumn season na. So, yun lang yung masasuggest ko if ever na pupunta kayo dito. I think mas ma-appreciate nyo siya if full na yung pagiging autumn and yung kung winter siya. Ayun lang. So, ngayon mag-rest lang kami saglit and babalik na rin kami sa main bus. And yung travel hour again is from here going to Nagoya Station is 3 hours. So, ayun.